243 Delta Sierra, ready to copy my clearance to Chehalis.
Diamond 243 Delta Sierra, Paine clearance, roger, there's a lengthy revision to your route device ready.
Alrighty.
3 Delta Sierra cleared to Chehalis, that's Charlie Lima Sierra, view Paine 6 departure. Paine, Victor 287, Olympia, Victor 165, Cetra, which is Charlie Echo Tango Romeo Alpha, direct. Maintain 2000, departure frequency 128.5, squawk 4626.
Okay, Diamond 243 Delta Sierra is cleared to Chehalis. We're at Paine 6, Paine, Victor 287, Olympia, Victor 165, Cetra, direct. Maintain 2000, departure 128.5, squawk 4626, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, readback is correct. Advise ground and tower initial contact, please, your IFR.
3 Delta Sierra. We'll go.
Attention all aircraft, convective segment 30 west for Western Washington ferries, the thunderstorms available on flight service frequencies.
Paine Tower, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, holding short at 16 left, stall -8 is ready for IFR departure.
Diamond 243 Delta Sierra, Paine Tower, roger, standby, we'll have the ATIS up in just a moment.
Special weather observation 2108 Zulu, wind 160.
Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, information Quebec is up now, and go ahead and let me know when you have it.
3 Delta Sierra.
113, altimeter 3014.
Paine Tower, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra is ready for IFR departure, and I have Quebec.
Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, roger, standby 11, just waiting IFR release.
Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, stand by.
Diamond 243 Delta Sierra, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 left, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, just before you go, I want to let you know you can expect a final altitude of 7,000 feet, and you can contact field departure. Good day.
3 Delta Sierra, switching to departure. Sail departure, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, 1,300, climb in 2,000.
43 Delta Sierra, settle departure, radar contact, climb maintain 3000.
Climb maintain 3,000, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Number 243 Delta Sierra, there's a lot of weather over there to the right. There's a cell that runs from 30 miles to the northwest to 30 miles to the southeast. What's your intention? Number 243 Delta Sierra, I think we're going to go east, go to the east of the weather. Turn left heading of 110.
3 Delta Sierra, 110.
Number 13312, you're cleared to Renton via radar vectors, fly heading 230, maintain 2000.
Heading 230, maintain 2000, clear to Renton, 13312.
Going to advise when you have written information, uniform altimeter 3013.
We'll advise when you have uniform 12312.
For 602 November Delta, clear direct to Lutzy. And did you want the Zulu or the Yankee?
Cleared to direct to Lutzy, and we'd like the Zulu for 602 November Delta.
To November Delta, right. Yes, 2986, turn right heading 110, intercept the low positive, runway 14 right. November 234 Delta Sierra, climb maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000, Diamond 243 Delta Sierra.
243 Delta Sierra, we're going to go over by Tiger Mountain, and that looks like it's east of most of the weather, and then we'll go south from there. And they'll have to get you south of all the Seattle departures before they can turn you back towards Olympia. Number 602 November Delta, cross Lutzy at 2,000, cleared straight in RNAV approach, runway 16, straight in RNAV Zulu, runway 16.
Airport 13312, can we get a vector back towards the east? We just saw some lightning heading west. Oh no.
3312, turn left now, left turn heading of 090.
Left 090, 312, thanks.
So yeah, I wasn't going to let you go into the weather there.
No problem, we appreciate you. Thank you, 312.
Hey, Juliet,
they're watching us, don't worry.
Loud and clear, and I wanted to confirm we also saw the lightning a moment ago off to our left wing.
3312, did you decide which approach you want for rented? 3312 would like the RNAV Yankee, 16. 12, roger, expect vectors for straight in approach starting at left C for RNAV Yankee approach. Oh, expect vectors for straight in approach starting at left C, 312.
And Seattle departure FedEx 9031 Heavy, 2,100 climb at 3,000 runway heading.
9031 Heavy, Seattle departure radar contact, climb maintain 3,000.
Climb maintain 3,000, FedEx 9031 Heavy.
Over 7670, Bravo, set approach, expect ILS approach runway 14 right, to center maintain 4,000. For 243 Delta Sierra, turn right, heading 160.
Right, 160, Diamond, 3 Delta Sierra.
FedEx 9031 Heavy, turn left turn heading 100.
Left turn 100, FedEx 9031 Heavy.
Number 602 November Delta, contact Renton Tower, good day.
Over to Tower 602 November Delta, thanks for your help.
9031 Heavy, contact approach on 123.9er.
1239er, FedEx 9031.
Number 243 Delta Sierra, contact approach 119.2.
119.2, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
I have a door.
Or 7 Kilo Papa, contact approach on 128.3. Have a good flight. Jazz 805, turn riding 310, climb and maintain 12,000.
Seattle approach Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, level at 5,000.
Or 243 Delta Sierra, Seattle approach, roger.
Engine 1756, request heading 050 to avoid the weather at about 80 miles.
I have multiple people talking over each other. Executive 443, turn righting 170.
Right turn heading 170, Executive 443.
Last 16th of departure, ready to contact.
Second jet.
United 1756, again.
Yeah, we were going to request a heading of 050 to avoid the weather at 80 miles. Are people getting through near Mike Whiskey Hotel?
United 1756, contact Seattle Center 127.05 with your report.
Oh, wow.
We'll have information for you. Have a good flight.
What was this leg?
05, 1756.
Jet 443, turn right heading 210.
Right turn heading 210, Executive 443.
Delta 2427, contact Seattle Center 126.6. Have a good flight. Executive 443, clear to Elma.
Direct to Elma, Executive 443.
Jazz 805, turn, if able, turn right heading 340. There's an area of moderate precipitation beginning in 10 miles, and it's about 8 miles in diameter.
Departure exit 924 is 2,200, climbing 3,000.
Christian Horizon Air. Jet 924, set departure, ready to contact, climb maintain Christian, climb maintain 900,000.
900,000, exit 924.
Jet 924, turn left heading 070.
Left turn 070, exit 924.
Last 16, clear to Zeta on maintain 900,000.
Direct Zeta, maintain 9,000, Alaska 16.
Jet 443, Seattle Center 128.3. Have a good flight. Jazz 805, there's lightning reported up ahead. I can take you back south over SeaTac, cross the Oregon, or you get on that heading direct Paine now. Last 132, climb maintain 15,000. That's it, 924, climb maintain 15,000. Good rate 36, please.
All right, 15,000, good rate 36, exit jet 924.
President 2192,
Rush hour at SeaTac.
4,000, climb and maintain 900,000.
Climb 900,000, right, 2192. And executive 443, I must have blocked you, I only got the .3.
FedEx 9031 Heavy, Shell departure, climb and maintain 900,000 for now, fly heading 190.
Heading 190, climb 900,000, FedEx 9031 Heavy.
As 805, turn right heading 090. Last 1300, Shell departure, ready to contact.
Frequency for executive 443.
Executive 443, you should be on 128.3. Have a good flight. FedEx 9031 Heavy, turn right heading 130.
Okay, we're currently on a 190 heading. I'm coming, you want left to 130?
Left, thank you, left heading 130.
All right, left turn 130, FedEx 9031 Heavy.
Last 16, climb maintain 15,000, do not exceed 250 knots.
Climb maintain 15,000, not to exceed 250 knots, Alaska 16.
Last 1300, clear to Suma, climb and maintain 15,000. Sky 33, 39 to departure for the contact, climb maintain 15,000. Jet 924, clear to ZLAC, contact Seattle Center 127.05, have a good flight.
Alright, 2705 ZLAC, exit jet 924.
3 Delta Sierra higher as soon as I can there, flighting 180.
180, diamond 3 0.
Last 1300, contact Seattle Center 126.6, have a good flight. Jet 3339, clear to Suma.
Afternoon, departure Alaska 362, 1.1, climbing 7,000.
Last 362 to departure for the contact, climb and maintain 900,000.
And maintain 900,000, Alaska 360.
Horizon Air 2192, turn left heading 340.
Left heading 340, Horizon 2192.
Last 132, contact Seattle Center 125.1. Jazz 805, when able, you proceed direct to Paine, just advise, please. FedEx 9031 Heavy, climb and maintain 11,000.
Okay, climb 11,000, FedEx 9031 Heavy.
Horizon Air 2192, climb and maintain 15,000.
I'm 15,000, Horizon 2192.
Last 362, clear direct to Normie.
Direct to Army, Alaska 360.
FedEx 9031 Heavy, turn left heading 100, join the airway, please. Climb and maintain 13,000.
Okay, climb 13,000, left 100, join the airway, FedEx 9031 Heavy.
Last 16, resume normal speed, Seattle Center 127.05, have a good flight.
Normal speed 12705, Alaska 16.
Horizon 2192, clear to Zadon.
Direct Zadon, Horizon 2192.
Departure is in 2084, 2,200, climbing 7,000 knots.
Horizon 2084, set departure with a contact. FedEx 9031 Heavy, thanks for your help today. Climb and maintain 15,000. Contact Seattle Center 127.05. Have a good flight.
2705, climb 15,000, FedEx 9031 Heavy. Thanks for your help.
36, just to verify, maintain 900,000 for traffic. 1 to 2 o'clock, 8 miles westbound of Pilatus at 10,000.
We are maintaining 900,000 and we'll be looking for traffic. Currently IMC Alaska 362.
3 Delta Sierra, need a little more room there. Flighting 160 for now, please.
160, diamond 3 0.
Horizon 2192, contact Seattle Center on 127.05. Have a good flight.
2705, Horizon 2192,
Horizon Air 2084, good rate of climb through 6, please.
Good rate through 6, 2084.
3 Delta Sierra, turn right heading at 200. Thanks for your help.
Right 200, thanks for your help. Diamond 3 0.
Last 362, climb maintain 15,000, drive no factor.
Maintain 15,000, Alaska 362.
Horizon Air 2084, climb and maintain 15,000.
15,000, Horizon 2084.
Jazz 805, thanks for your help. Contact Seattle Center 134.95. Have a good flight. Last 362, contact Seattle Center 127.05. Have a good flight.
2705, have a good day, Alaska 365.
Afternoon departure, Red Barn 228, 1,000, climb at 2,000 on Nirvana.
Red Barn 228, tell departure to contact, climb and maintain 15,000.
Continue to climb to 15,000, Red Barn 228. Direct to Normie, Red Barn 228.
Horizon 2084, contact Seattle Center 127.05. Have a good flight.
I will see Horizon 2084. Approach Delta 1858, 1.9 for 7,000.
Delta 1858, tell departure to contact, climb and maintain 900,000.
9,000, 1858. Departure, citation 221 Victor Pop, 1.3, climbing 2,000 on the Nirvana.
No, 221 Victor Pop, tell departure to contact, climb and maintain 15,000.
I maintain 15,000, 1 Victor Pop. Can we go slightly left for weather?
Or 1 Victor Papa, left deviation is approved, amend your altitude, maintain 900,000.
Maintain 900,000, left turn approved.
No, 1 Victor Papa, would right be better? And 1 Victor Papa, if you can deviate right, I can get you on higher and on course sooner, but if you need to go left, that's fine as well.
Okay, we'll take a right turn.
2-1 Victor Papa, turn right heading at 200 and climb and maintain 15,000.
200, 15,000.
Delta 1858, clear direct to Normie.
Direct to Normie.
Or 3 Delta Sierra, climb and maintain 6,000.
Climb maintain 6,000, diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
And 1 Victor Papa, is that right turn good enough?
That is.
Kind of interesting listing all the airliners.
Yeah.
That keeps us out of the red spot.
Boeing 161, clear direct to Normie.
Direct Normie, Boeing 161.
Red Barn 228, contact Seattle Center 127.05.
12705, Red Barn 228, good day.
That's a Boeing test flight.
Red Barn.
Number 1 Victor Pop, thanks for up today. Contact Seattle Center 126.6. Have a good flight.
126.6, 1 Victor Pop.
Delta 1858, climb and maintain 15,000.
Fly 15,000, 1858.
Boeing 161, climb and maintain 15,000.
15,000, Boeing 161.
Delta 1858, contact Seattle Center on 127.05. Have a good flight.
2705, 1858. We'll see you later.
Boeing 161, do not exceed 250 knots to still advise, please.
Boeing 161 is currently at 248.
I'm just thinking above 10,000. I got to keep you at 250.
250, Boeing 161.
Number 3 Delta Sierra, turn right heading 180.
Right 180, down 300.
Number 3 Delta Sierra, turn right heading 200.
Right 200, down 300.
Boeing 161, thanks for your help. Resume normal speed. Contact Seattle Center on 127.05. Have a good flight.
12705, good day, Boeing 161.
Good day, Super 4 Echo Alpha, altitude passing 1,400, climbing 7,000.
Freebird 4 Echo Alpha, have east out of departure, but a contact. Amend your altitude, maintain 4,000 for traffic, please.
And altitude maintain 4,000 for traffic, Freebird 4 Echo Alpha.
Freebird 4 Echo Alpha, heavy, crossing traffic, 1 o'clock, 5 miles eastbound, a heavy Boeing 777 at 5,000.
That's copy, thank you, Freebird 4 Echo Alpha.
Mirage 146, number for Charlie, 5,000, 360 heading.
146, number Charlie, Seattle approach, Seattle number 3013.
3013, 6 for Charlie.
And Seattle Boeing 002 Heavy is looking level 5,000.
002 Heavy, approach, Roger. Colonel number 3013.
Copy, we have 3013 Boeing 002.
Freebird 4 Echo Alpha, heavy, climb and maintain 900,000.
I maintain 9,000, Freebird 4 Echo Alpha.
Number 3 Delta Sierra, you proceed direct to Citra to join Victor 165.
Direct Citra to join, Diamond 300.
And number 3 Delta Sierra, thanks so for all your help today and patience. Contact approach on 126.5. Have a good flight.
126.5, I appreciate the help, Diamond 300. Seattle approach, Diamond Star 243, Delta Sierra level at 7,000, direct Citra.
Star 243 Delta Sierra, south approach, Olympia, altimeter 3010.
3 Delta Sierra.
Chehalis, Centralia Airport, automated weather observations 2152 Zulu. Wind variable at 5 knots. Peak gust 13 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition few at 4,600. Few at 5,500.
This is Charlie Alpha, turn right heading 030.
This is 030, Charlie Alpha.
Aircraft of Shelton Sanderson Airport, parachute activities at below 14,000.
Seattle approach, Diamond 243, Delta Sierra. Possible to get lower yet?
243 Delta Sierra, I'm sorry, say again?
Would it be possible to get lower yet?
3 Delta Sierra, I wasn't aware you were looking for lower. You filed below 7?
They gave me 7. I filed for 6, but just need to get down for Chehalis.
Quick 106 Alpha, Roger, radar contact, climb and maintain 3,000. 3 Delta Sierra, okay, I apologize. I wasn't aware you were landing at Chehalis. My data indicated you were continuing to the south. You're clear direct Relty to center maintain 4,000. So aircraft convect to Signet 38 and 39er Whiskey Valve for local air. For more information, contact flight service. 3 Delta Sierra, I have no landing information available for the Chehalis Airport. Advised with the weather and NOTAM. Chehalis altimeter is 3012.
3 Delta Sierra, I have weather NOTAMs.
278 Charlie Alpha, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 278 Charlie Alpha.
For Trek 106, please direct Olympia, join Victor 165, resume on navigation, climb and maintain 5,000. Delta Sierra, you're 17 miles from Relty, cross Relty outer above 4,000, cleared RNAV 16, approach Chehalis, report inbound.
Relty outer above 4,000. Clear for the approach, and we'll report inbound, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra. And Seattle approach, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, question.
3 Delta Sierra,
Yeah, are you expect me to do the procedure turn, or can I just turn left at Milty?
3 Delta Sierra, well, I've issued the approach clearance. It's up to you whether the procedure turn is required or not.
Okay, thank you. Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
On approach 720 Hotel Whiskey, request lower, it's bumpy right here in the base, I said 5.
Delta Whiskey, descend and maintain 4,000, that's as low as I go until the 6.
Okay, 4,000, thanks. 720 Hotel Whiskey, that'll help a lot.
Seattle approach, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra is inbound Chehalis.
Delta Sierra, thank you. No traffic observed between you and the Chehalis Airport. Radar service are terminated. Change 2,000 frequencies approved. Don't forget to cancel.
3 Delta Sierra.
Chehalis, Centralia Airport, automated weather observations 218 Zulu.
720 Hotel
Wind
Whiskey. Okay, we'll call it council just in a few minutes.
7 knots. Peak gusts 14 knots. Visibility.
Seattle approach, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, like to cancel IFR. Airport in sight.
2 Delta Sierra, IFR cancellation, please squawk VFR, change crew.
Squawk and VFR, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, thanks for the help. Chehalis traffic, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra is 4.5 to the north, landing runway 16, full stop. Chehalis. Big cross.
Chehalis traffic, Coast Guard helicopter 6519, currently lifting off runway 34. Believe we got you in sight. We'll sidestep off to the left and then pass right to right.
Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, thank you. We'll be looking for you.
Roger, good copy. We'll stay low level until we're clear you.
Thank you. Chehalis traffic, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, 2 mile final 16, full stop. Chehalis.
6519, we got you in sight. We're heading to the northwest. We'll stay clear of the approach corridor.
Chehalis traffic, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra is departing runway 34, departing to the northeast. Chehalis. Tacoma Tower, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, 7 to the north, landing with Juliet.
Diamond 243 Delta Sierra, Tacoma Tower, Roger, make right traffic runway 35, for midfield right downwind.
Okay, right traffic 35, and we'll report midfield downwind, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra. Can have a bite to eat.
Cessna 6750 Hotel, Tacoma Tower, hold short runway 35, waiting off our release.
Hold short 35, 6750 Hotel.
Tacoma Tower, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra's midfield downwind.
Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, number 2, follow Cessna on the opposite downwind, approaching left base, runway 35, clear the land.
Clear land, number 2, behind the Cessna, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Cessna 50 Hotel, contact Seattle departure. Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, turn right off at 2. Where are you parking?
Right Alpha 2, 3 Delta Sierra parking at the restaurant.
3 Delta Sierra, Roger, taxi to parking Alpha Bravo 3, monitor the ground.
Alpha Bravo 3, monitor ground, 3 Delta Sierra.